Unlocking the Mysteries of Infinite Series, a visual journey. In this video, we'll build intuition for what an infinite series is, see examples of convergence and divergence, and visualize common tests. An infinite series is the sum of infinitely many terms. We write the series as the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of a sub n. To understand whether this sum makes sense, we look at partial sums, s sub n, which add the first n terms. If s sub n approaches a finite number, as n grows, we say the series converges to that number. Example 1. The geometric series with first term 1/2 and common ratio 1/2. So we have 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8, and so on. We'll represent these terms as segments along the unit interval to see how their partial sums approach 1. Example 2. The harmonic series 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/4, and so on. Although the terms go to 0, this series diverges. We'll visualize the partial sums using rectangles and a classic grouping argument that shows the sum grows without bound. Example 3. The alternating harmonic series 1 minus 1/2 plus 1/3 minus 1/4, and so on. This series converges even though the harmonic series diverges. We'll show how the partial sums oscillate and squeeze toward a limit